Hello everybody and welcome to this Visage tutorial where today we're going to look at how to add more services to our system. Let's navigate to where we can do this. So we go to our services page. And what we see here is all the services that are against all our sites in our subscription. Now obviously if we have multiple sites, the services will be across all our locations. Today we're going to focus on our Visage Academy site. And we see here that we have a default service with costs and sales, durations and so forth. Whenever you add a site to your subscription or when you first sign up for your subscription, the default services are added to each site. We can very quickly edit these and add new ones. So if we would like to, we can delete this particular service. But rather than doing that, what I'll quickly do is show you how to change this service. So let's call this a shampoo. Hit enter, yes to confirm, no to cancel. Enter allows you to hit the yes button quickly. Double click again into our cost price. Now if you have a cost for a service, whatever that may be, maybe it's a percentage shared to your employees, maybe it's something you want to work into a calculation, it's up to you. We will enter a number here, again confirm with enter, and update the cell. Perfect. And obviously the duration here is the default duration for the appointment when it's dragged to be created in our calendar. As we saw, we can change that at the time of booking, but let's say it's a default of 1 hour. So we really quickly change that default service, and if we navigate back to our calendar, we will see that that's been updated and we can make appointments against it. So let's quickly do that. So we see here we now have the shampoo service instead of the default service. Let's add a few more to our salon. So we navigate back to our services page and we simply go down to the add button. And our add services page pops up. It generally defaults to the first site that you created. We're going to use our Visage Academy for the demonstration, and we fill in all the details about our description. So let's say we have a men's cut. You can see I've filled these in before, and I will quickly navigate through all the fields so I can add them in. Now at the bottom we have two fields that we can use to create appointments that have a break or a wait time between say a wash and a color. So for those type of appointments we would see 3 different boxes and we can work around those, but for today we will leave it with the simple appointment type. Click submit and we get taken back to our services page, where we can see against our Visage Academy site, we now have a men's cut. We can also apply these services to other sites. So simply by clicking the site ID, we can apply the same service to our Visage and Visage Hong Kong example locations. So click the site selection, press apply, and you can see that now this service is available in all our sites. Very useful feature if we have multiple salons and we want to enter in our pricing once. Obviously, it doesn't mean we have to have the same pricing in every salon if we create various services, but if we want to, we can have standard pricing against each of our salons for all our services. So let's navigate back to our calendar and we'll see these services now added. So now back in our calendar page, we see the shampoo and the men's cut available for Monica and Nicholas, our 2 employees. And if we navigate to one of our other sites, we should also see the men's cut available. So let's go to our original site. And in our original site, we see the default service is still there and the men's cut has been applied. Now only Nicholas is available at this site. That's why we only see Nicholas's name and not Monica's. But as we saw in the employees tutorial, if we apply Monica's name to this site, she would also be here as an available stylist. So that has been our quick tutorial on how to add services. Make sure you follow us on YouTube and our socials for new features, and look forward to seeing you on the site very soon.